Here's how I use education and service to enhance my practice. Choosing topics to do educational workshops or presentations on really is dependent upon your audience. Who are you trying to appeal to? For example, in our firm, we have a young 30-year-old who will do an educational webinar on cybersecurity. That's much more in his zone. He's comfortable there. And yet my generation is, tell me about cybersecurity, I don't get it. By the same token, if I'm trying to appeal to somebody who is coming up upon Social Security age, 58, 60, you start thinking, how do I manage that within the scope of my total portfolio? So I think it's, demographics. What is your age? What can you best present? And it doesn't mean a 30-year-old can't present on Social Security, but make sure it's a topic that you have an interest in. Make sure it's a topic that you can identify with the audience. They can identify with you because they're looking for content. They're looking for information that's going to make their life better. That's your job. Educating clients may not be immediate gratification. I've been doing seminars and workshops and being involved in webinars and different types of exposure in the educational venue. I've had people 2 years from now come back and say, I attended your seminar, or I saw you in a webcast. Now the timing is right for me. So as a member, you can't always say marketing or branding is an immediate gratification, but you have to be consistent and keep doing it and keep trying it. If after your first seminar, maybe you only had 6 people, maybe you didn't get a single new client from it, don't give up. It takes time. It takes you getting better at your craft. It takes you learning as much as you can and giving. Give to those people. Give to that community. I've had people who've come to my seminars say, would you present to my company? Boy, if you can move that from a one-on-one to a 1 to 15 or a 1 to 100, look at the opportunity that you're going to create. And if you never tried, or you tried once and quit, you can't hit a home run if you don't go up to bat. So go up to bat.